Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today we will see Federal Board Solve Paper 2013 of Mathematics first year. So let's start. First we are having section number A, which contain 20 marks MCQs. Each MCQs contain 1 marks. So these are the MCQs of past paper 2013. First MCQ is from chapter number 1, second from 1, third from second chapter. So these are the MCQs. Now section number B, which contain 40 marks. To attempt 10 parts out of 14 parts. So these are the 14 question answer. Now we are having section number C, which contain 40 marks, and we have to attempt any 5 question out of 7. So now coming towards the solution. Here is the solution of MCQs. Now section number B, which contain 40 marks. Question number 2 part 1 is from chapter number 1. Part 2 is from chapter number 2. Part 3 is from chapter number 3. Part 4 is from chapter number 4. Part 5 is from chapter number 5. Part 6 is from chapter number 6. Part 7 is from chapter number 7. Part 8 is from chapter number 8. Part 9 is from chapter number 9. Part 10 is from chapter number 10. Part 11 is from chapter number 12. Part 12 is from chapter number 14. Part 13 is also from chapter number 14. Part 14 is from chapter number 12. Now moving towards section number C, which also contain 40 marks. Question number 3 is from chapter number 3, exercise 3.5. So you can see the solution. Then question number 4 is from chapter number 4. You can see the solution. Now question number 5 is from chapter number 6. Question number 6 is from chapter number 8. Question number 7 is from chapter number 10. And question number 8 is from chapter number 12. And question number 9 is from chapter number 14, solution of trigonometric equation. So this was the solve past paper of 2013 Federal Board first year mathematics. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.